Oops. I don't know what's going on. And still nothing. Something happened. Whoa! Hey everyone, and welcome back to As It Goes Reviews. My name is Yuri and we are reviewing tech that we plan to use in our business or we already use, and we started with this amazing UV printer. And if you're new to this channel, so we review tech as it goes, so we documenting everything, our fails, how we learn and how we unbox, how we set it up, so stay tuned and do not repeat our mistakes. When I first discovered that EufyMake sells not only UV printer but also laminating machine for creating stickers, I asked myself, why on earth do you need it? How do you cut these stickers? What the heck is like film A, film B? How do you cut it, and why would you need like a laminating machine if you already have the UV printer? So if you're asking the same question, so congrats, you're on the right video, and we're gonna find out today together why would you need the laminating machine, how does it work, what's inside this box, what the film A does, what the film B does, if it's better to create stickers, if it's better to print using the stickers technology or directly print on the surfaces, what's the best scenarios for laminating machine, what's the best scenarios for the rotary. So let's begin with the unboxing first. We will return to these films later, we don't need it for now. So let's move it on the side. So here is the box with the printer itself, and let's find out what's inside. Here we have the laminating machine. Quick start guide, power cord, empty box, and also we have some stuff here as well. So what we have here, cutting board, and that's it. Oh, we have something else here. We have scraper and we have crochet hook. That's it. So we unbox it, that's the stuff that we have it, let's plug it in. Okay, and also I'm not sure which guide you'll get, but here we have that it says that we also got 50 mini A films, but what they did, they actually upgraded it for the first 200 testers. I'm not sure, maybe it's gonna be for everyone, for every Kickstarter, everyone who backed them on Kickstarter. And they gave us not just the mini films, but they gave us 25 pack of standard UV DTF films. So that's the large sheet that we can put on the standard bed. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna use the mini bed, and we're gonna cut it with the help of their cutter that they include it with the laminating machine. So here we have the A film, so to make it clear and simple, so you print on A film with your UV printer and you use B film as the adhesive layer, so we put them together, and that's how you create UV DTF stickers, and DTF means direct to film, so actually that's how we do it. But before we turn it on, let's follow our instructions. Let's remove that film. It says pull out, and in the back it has peel off stickers, we don't need them. So now we will remove the plastic from the A film. Lock it down. Next step, it says that we need to remove that guide. We don't need it. But do not discard it yet, because we wanna need it. So first we need to do is to pull the B film a bit, they say like 4.7 inches or 12 centimeters out, and close the top cover, close the lid. Let's turn the machine on. We hear the beep sound and the green light is good, so we turn it on. So now where we need the guide that we removed it, so we just basically put it inside. We put this guide and later A film on top of the B film. And it goes through the back. That's how we laminate it. We need to press the stop button. We hear the beep. So now we can cut it off. You need to start from the side, I feel. Great, so our laminating machine is ready for the laminating stuff. So now what we're gonna do next, we're gonna put the printer here. We're gonna use the A film and we're gonna try to do our first test stickers. Stay tuned. Okay, so we have our printer here, and before we start, first I'd like to discuss like a couple scenarios where you would need to use laminating machine stickers instead of a rotary or the regular bed. So first of all, if the subject of print is too big, so we can fit neither the small bed and the standard bed, or just height too big. Secondly, and that's we're gonna try first, sometimes tumblers you can use with the rotary, because this one is okay, it's like plain, but it's too big for it. But sometimes we will try a bit later when the object is curved, so you can't use the rotary for that. So, and in this case, we're gonna try this tumbler. I already ruined it with the rotary try, so you can see this like white strip here. So that actually I was able to put the tumbler inside of the rotary machine. I saw that it fit well, so because it fit well when I put it there. So what happened actually is that it didn't grip well, and the tumbler just sit in one place and didn't rotate on the rotary, and that's where we got this like line. So I planned to put like nice like imaginable logo here, but because it was like a bit too large, I say like maybe a couple millimeters, so it didn't rotate, and basically all the print was put in one spot and created this white line. So this is the perfect case scenario where we would need to use the stickers instead of the rotary. So let's prepare our first print and try how it looks here. So hopefully I can save this tumbler. So as you can see, I cut like a couple small strips, like mini films, to fit them in the bed, in the mini bed. So let's put them in. There is like protective film on it, so we won't remove it yet, because first we're gonna put the design in the EufyMake Studio, and then we will remove it and print on it. So I opened the EufyMake Studio right now. You can see our printer is in maintenance status. So we're gonna inject ink, and let's start the new project. Quick hint, so we won't do the snapshot first. We're gonna prepare our design. Then what we're gonna do, like we will do the snapshot, the printer will measure the height, and very important, that's why I didn't move it yet. So as you can see, the edges of my adhesive mat here are curved. They are not very well, they do not stick very well to the bed, and that's where we had problems with our initial calibration. So before we will start the project, we will make sure that it stick perfectly, because what the printer does, it measures the height of the object where it will print on, and that's where the mess comes in. So it will measure the top of this edge, and that's where we can ruin the print. But we made a mistake before we figure it out, and so we won't repeated. And actually I ordered the new mats, so that's just the original one that I have. So we'll just have to use what we have. Okay, so let's put the design inside. As you can see, I had some design created in Canva. So before aligning it, I would like to measure the height of the tumbler to make sure that it will be nice inside. So I'm gonna use IKEA ruler here, just do the rough measurements. So it's like 21 centimeters. Okay, so I'm inside of the EufyMake studio. I will increase the size, but keep the ratio, the proportions. I'll try to put here 210 millimeters. I will center it. Okay, looks good to me. So now same here, we have crop mode, the same, flat raised, flat. And here in ink mode, we actually have the sticker mode. Let's try it first. And you know what, let's do flat raised. And 1 millimeter, that's too much because we did it before. Let's do 0.3 millimeters. And we're gonna hit print button. Okay, it prompts us to do the snapshot first, so let's align the bed, put this sides. Oh, we have to remove this protective film. I'll use this tool. It goes with the laminating machine. Nice. Okay, let's do the snapshot first. It was idling again, and we gonna put ink, inject in first. And while it injecting ink, I want to ask you and also share my opinion. Basically, as I mentioned before, we put the UV ink here, and I wanted to remove it, and it sticks so well. I tried to remove it with different stuff, just trying not to damage the tumbler, but I can't do it. So if you have an idea how I can remove it, please let me know so I can still save it. Okay, printer is ready. Let's make sure again that we have the perfect edges, so they are perfectly sticked. Okay, looks good to me. Now let's do the snapshot. Measuring height right now. Okay, perfect, we have the snapshot, so let's double check everything. We have color raised, high quality, material, I won't touch it here, so let's double check color raised, flat raised. Okay, let's print it on. Okay, our print is ready, so let's see, it took us 13 minutes to print it, took less than 0.01 milliliter of CMYK and 0.68 milliliters of YK, and almost the same of the glass ink. So we got the print here, and we need to put it through the laminator, but before that we need to press the heating button. I don't know what I have to do. I click on heating and still nothing. We'll wait. Okay, I had to take the quick guide again because I did follow all the steps, but I pressed the heating button and it does not react, so let's find out. Okay, we're gonna try once again to set up the laminating machine. Looks like we need to put this guide first and wait until the B film will beep, and then we need to press the stop button and cut it later. Luckily we didn't discard this quick guide, laminating guide, so let's do it once again. So first time we put it on, it went through successfully. I pressed the stop button, cut it. I thought it is fine, but it looks like We need to wait until the B film button will turn green, and then where we press the stop button. Let's find out if it's the right way. It's going through. Okay, now we heard the B film button, so now the setup is right. So make sure when you do the first time, because it's not mentioned in this guide, so you don't have to press the stop button first time. Make sure it went through, it will go through successfully, it will stop automatically, then we are ready. So that's where the installation and setup is successful. So here we have like one more time. Okay, so now let's finally do our print. We'll try to click on the hidden button once again, and we'll find out if it works right this time. It works because we heard the hidden beep. It's blinking yellow right now, and we will wait until it turns green. Okay, so we just heard the beep sound, and we see that the heating button turned green. It took us around 3 minutes, and it clearly says in the quick start guide, so heating takes approximately like 2.5–3 minutes, I'd say. So we're ready to laminate our sticker, so let's put it in and see what's gonna be this sticker. I won't touch anything now. I'm just curious if it will stop automatically, or do I need to stop it? Okay, it stopped automatically. So that's what we have right now. So I assume now we can peel it off and try to put it on the tumbler using their cutter. Let's peel it off. Okay, our first try wasn't successful, so I peeled off the film B, but our print still on the film A. So second try. Our laminating machine is showing a green button for the heating, and it looks like it's ready. So let's try to laminate it one more time, and hopefully this time we'll have success. We heard the beep sound. As you can see, it automatically stops, so we cut it, but I would like to make this piece smaller, so I'll use their cutter. Okay guys, second try. Hopefully this time it will work. I don't know. We'll learn it as it goes. It didn't work from this side. Let's do it from another. No, I don't know what's going on. Possibly it's too raised. Okay, so this try wasn't successful, so let's try to print something smaller, and we'll do it once again. Hopefully I'm doing everything right, and we'll figure it out later if it's good or not. Stay tuned. Okay, so our first print wasn't successful, our first try to create a sticker. I'm not sure, but maybe it's because we tried to do the raised print, 0.3 millimeters, but looks like it's doable, because I saw online on YouTube that some guys did like raised texture. But wait, I'll try like flat print, and we'll see how it's gonna end this time. That's what we do, we learn as we go. Okay, I just finished another try. I printed like flat surface, not the flat raised. So let me take it outside, and we'll see if it's gonna stick this time. So let's get it out. That's the print, how it looks like. Okay, the laminating machine shows that it's heated. Let's double check if it's hot enough. I feel some warm, I'm not sure if it should be like that. Okay, let's heat it on once again. Let's put it carefully inside. Here we have it, let's cut it. Cut the side. Okay. So this is how it looks this time. Fingers crossed. It's working this time. Try to be as careful as possible. Oh, I like this feeling. Okay. Okay, nice. So we have our sticker on this B film. let's try and transfer it to this tumbler. That I'll try to be very careful. So I know usually the crafters have some stuff they can put it on. Unfortunately, I don't have anything, so we'll try to figure it as it goes. Let's use this scraper. Not sure which side this one. It's not ideal, not very straight, but who cares if it works? I already love these UV DTF stickers more than die cut, D-cut. Okay. So second round of peeling off. You know what? Wow! Oh man, yeah, it was challenging. I'm sorry, it's not very even, straight, but it actually works. So you see, we have this like broken line, and we have like this nicely. It's like shiny. I feel it was like glossed, but it looks really great. So luckily we did like successfully our first ever UV DTF stickers. Not from the first try, but who knows, we learn as we go. Okay guys, so luckily our first try, actually third try, was successful. We put the tumbler on the side. Next I'm gonna do this jar. As you can see, it has like curved edges. I tried to put it in the rotary, but the try wasn't successful. And I assume like for every product, every cylindrical object that you would use that is not like straight, has this curved edges, so it won't work with the rotary attachment, but hopefully it's gonna work with our laminating machine. So what I will do now, I will print something all over the body. Like I will try to wrap it with some design. We'll find it in the EufyMake studio because I don't have any like suitable designs. Okay, so I got another new film with the protective film on it. I will put it in our printer. We'll try to find some design and try to do one more UV DTF sticker and wrap this jar around. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's put our A film where we print on in the printer. We'll stick it again. Please make sure that the edges of the adhesive mat are flat, they are not like curved and stick very well to the printing bed. Okay, so now let's dive into the EufyMake app and we'll try to find some design. We create a new design, and first of all we're gonna do snapshot. Okay, so I just found some vintage Christmas mail stamps and I will try to just distribute them all over the A film. So let me prepare it. We'll come back. Okay, our print is ready, so I just selected all the designs because they consist different elements. So to make sure that you selected everything, then we're gonna change the ink mode. We're gonna switch it to sticker. We'll leave craft mode flat, and let's print it and create a sticker. I forgot to remove the protective film, protective plastic from the A film. I will cancel this project. Print stopped, so luckily we didn't use any ink. So let me remove the protective plastic. Thanks for this tool. Okay, let's try to print it once again. It asked us to do the alignment one more time, so we did the snapshot. I'm not sure if that's, I forgot to measure the, how long it should be. So we have old sticker, roughly. Okay, let's do it like this one. Hopefully my wife won't kill me that I ruined her jar. So if next episode, you won't see the next episode next week, so you know where to look for me. Okay, I just got the message that print failed, but looks like print is great. So I assume something wrong with maybe software. I don't know, because visually everything looks great. So let me close my computer and let's try to do the stickers. Okay, let's take stickers from the bed. The print quality is really nice. So while the laminating machine is heating up, I'll put my lucky goggles on because I'm afraid to ruin this jar because my wife loves it. So EufyMake, don't let me down. Heating up takes approximately 3 minutes. Okay, it just beeped, so it's ready. So let's try to create another sticker. And looks like you have like edges where you need to keep the film, because the rest of this film has some sticky adhesive like coverage, so there is no coverage on the side, so you can just hold it like this. Fingers crossed. Oops, something happened. Looks like the film stuck in. I'm curious why it's stuck, because I didn't do anything for it. Maybe just my destiny. Okay, I removed the B film from there, but looks like it's already did its job, and we should have a nice sticker. Let me just cut it out. Hopefully these goggles help me. Okay, I fixed the rotary, I hope so. I don't need them anymore, hope so. So let's try and see if this was successful, because basically this sticker stuck in the middle of the laminating process, but as you can see, it looks like they are very good. Let's just cut them from the other side. It was successful. So now let's try to put it on this jar. So it's the glass, I didn't wipe it or prepare with something, so let's just do it as is. Let's use the scraper provided with the laminating machine. Okay, looks good to me now, so let's remove the B film. This time much better, I mean, like, I aligned it much better. There are some cracks here, I'm not sure if you can see, but I assume it's because of the problem with the laminating machine, that it stopped in the middle of the process, of the laminating process, but it looks great. So okay, so we are done with our second project with this jar. So we weren't able to print on it with the rotary machine, but as you can see, we can use the laminating machine to print on this stuff, like on the glass and on the uneven objects, so with the curves or curved edges. And in terms of stickiness, this one, it looks good, but I assume it didn't stick well film A with film B, because it just stuck in the middle of the process. But I think it's really nice. So it's still like decorative stuff, so you won't scratch it often, and it looks good. So our second project is successfully done. Let's go to our third one. Okay guys, so first two UV DTF laminating projects are in the books, and we have two more for today, and we are done. So first one, we're gonna try and do something with this mini champagne bottle. As you remember from our previous episode about the Rotary, our try to print on it was unsuccessful, and we also will try on the mug. So print on the mug was amazing with the Rotary attachment, but what we're gonna do today, so we're gonna use one side and we're gonna print with the Rotary, and on the other side we're gonna print with the sticker, and we will compare the quality of both. So let's start with the bottle first. As I said, we will start with the bottle first, but what we're gonna do, we will print both design on this one A-film, so we won't waste any material. So on one side we're gonna prepare something for this bottle, and on the other side we're gonna prepare something for our mug. And first we will apply the sticker to the bottle and to the mug, and then we'll put our rotary in the printer and we'll print on the other side and we'll compare the quality. Okay guys, our prints are ready. So this one will go on the mug on one side, and this one will go on this champagne bottle. Before that, I'm gonna cut them, so because we don't need one whole piece. And piece of advice, I'm not sure if it's listed anywhere, but do not discard this instruction guide that will be included with the laminating machine inside of it, because basically you need to do this like recalibration. I don't know how to name it, time to time, because basically we did couple stickers, and then we had to do it once again. I'm not sure if that's the right thing I do, but looks like this button, status button, should be green, but it then changed the color, so we need to recalibrate it. So keep this piece of paper handy. So I'll cut it first, and then we're gonna apply it on this bottle, then on this mug, and we'll switch to the rotary and print the same on the opposite side, and we'll compare which one is better. So what I did, I just cut this into pieces, and I realized that I forgot to laminate it first. So I don't know if would need to reprint it once again, if we can do, or we can do it now. I'm gonna try to put it inside and we'll see how it ends up, but I assume I failed this time. My mistake. Actually, it's not that bad. Laminated it as well, so let's put it on the bottle and see if it works. We would need to cut it one more time. So here we have our sticker to the bottle. Let's try to peel it and put it on the bottle. Actually, it didn't work out because I assumed that I cut it earlier, so all this adhesive layer has stayed on the A-film, and while the image itself moved to the B-film, the sticky part stays on the A-film, so it won't stick to the bottle, so we would need to reprint it once again. It's definitely my fault. I was too excited to cut it too soon. Okay, so our reprint is finally done. So I just realized, so first time when I put the A-film in the printer, I forgot to remove that protective film on top of it, so I assume that was the reason why we didn't succeed first time with our stickers. But this time everything looks good to me, so let's try and laminate them once again. The laminating machine is warm, so we are good to create stickers. Let's do it one more time. It's laminated, looks good. I did also additional logo for our e-commerce store. So let's cut it down and put it on the bottle. Okay, our print is ready, so let's try and put it on this bottle. So it transfers successfully to our B film, and let's put it on our bottle. Again, I didn't prepare this bottle, I didn't wipe it, so just put it on it as is. And here we have it. It has successfully transferred to the bottle and it looks amazing. So this bottle is done. So what we weren't able to achieve with our rotary attachment, we successfully did it with the laminating machine. So let's put it on the side. And now let's do the mug. So our plan is to print with the rotary on this side and do the transfer on this side. It transfers nicely to the B film, and I already like this feeling. So let's try to put it evenly. Let's peel it off. and it looked amazing. The only issue with that is my hand, so I wasn't able to align it evenly. So I feel that in case with the mugs, the most useful will be the rotary attachment, because I won't put the sticker anytime soon that even and that align as the rotary attachment. Okay, so now let's install the rotary attachment and try to print on the opposite side, and we'll compare the print quality. So our rotary attachment is installed. We put the mug inside, and I feel like I'm real pro right now with the rotary comparing to the laminating machine, because after quite some time using the rotary, it's very easy to use it and like easy to install. So we just did the measurements, and we're gonna try to align our print, and I will try to make it the same size as we did with the print. So I recorded the height, the dimensions of the sticker, of this logo. So now let me try to align it the same way on the opposite side. As you can see here on my screen, we have like drawings and alignment where this print will be printed on which side. Okay, I aligned the design as close to the sticker as possible, but our goal is not to compare how we did align the sticker to the design which we're gonna print on the rotary, but our goal is to compare the quality of the print versus on the rotary versus the sticker. So for this one, I'm gonna use the same flat mode. It offers us white CMYK, and we're gonna find out shortly. And it says us that the print on the rotary will gonna take us 6 minutes only, so that's good. And only 0.2 millimeters of ink. Very interesting. Okay guys, so our print on the rotary is done, so let's take the mug and check the quality and compare. It's definitely much more aligned comparing to my sticker. So in terms of quality, I feel it's not going to be very correctly to compare, because the sticker itself is a bit raised, and what I did, like I didn't know it, so next time we need to do it raised. So I just used the flat print because that's what we used for the stickers. But I assume that by default, even if the stickers are printed flat, they still gonna be like a little bit raised, and the opposite side. So as you can see, like that's the print on the rotary. It's completely flat, but it's very awesome, amazing. And as you can see here, that's the sticker. It's a little bit raised. You can feel the textures. The rotary is much more smoother on the other side. But if you would ask me which options I like better, they are actually both nice, but they both have different application, I feel. Because like, for example, if I would have to use and print on mugs, regular shapes, I would definitely use the rotary. But if I would need to print on some shapes like that are not good for the rotary, like the bottles or like some curved shapes, I would definitely need to use the laminating machine. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for staying with us. And as you can see, today we tested and for the first time the laminating machine. First, I wasn't sure if you actually need it when you have like the rotary and the printer itself, but as you can see, it just broadens our options, our possibility much, because we weren't able to print on this tumbler on the rotary. Same with this bottle. Mug is good, but it gives different like quality. The same with the not regular shapes, with the curved shapes. And that's actually, we just tried the options that mostly didn't fit the rotary, but you can only imagine what are our possibilities that we can print on that wouldn't fit on the regular bed or on the mini bed. For example, if you would like to print on the larger sizes, or would you like to print on like laptop or other devices. So with the laminating machine, the possibilities are limitless. So I'm really amazed again. I was amazed with the printer itself, with the rotary attachment, and now I'm amazed with the laminating machine. So I hope that you really enjoyed our episode today and you learned a bit with us, and stay with us because we are already planning a new episode where we plan to print on different materials, different surfaces, and dedicate the entire episode just to analyze the print quality, how durable it is, how much ink it consumes. So guys, stay tuned, subscribe to us, and drop a comment below and let us know what you would like us to print on, what materials, what surfaces. So, and we're gonna do it. See you next time.